Good morning everyone. Today we will be discussing the factors that actually affects the human behavior. The human behavior, as we have studied, there are a number of factors that influences the human behavior. It may be genetic, it may be in the human instinct, it may be due to the environment, it may be due to the personal experiences of the individual. So we can say the human behavior is basically shaped by a complex interplays of biological, psychological, social, culture, and the environmental factors. In biological factors, you can say the genetics of the individual, that is the genes of the individual, the neurological factors that include the neurotransmissions play an important role, that is the thought and the emotions of the individuals, the hormones that fluctuate the mood of the individual, aggressive of the individual, the physical health of the individual, that is the illness, injuries that affects the behavior of the particular individual. The next factor is the psychological factors. The psychological factors includes the personality of the individual, whether the person is introvert, extrovert, that influences how the person interacts with the outer world. Then is the cognitive factors, that is the thought, the belief, the perceptions of the individual that affects the shaping and the actions of the individual. The emotions may be both positive and negative, that derives the behavior of an individual. Sometimes it may lead to an impulsive and irrational action by the individual. There is a mental health. Mental disorders can significantly impact the human behavior and the well-being of the individual. Then is the learning factor. Our experiences and how we learn from them shapes our behavior and responses to the particular situations. Our attitudes and our beliefs towards various things can influences our behavior. So these are the psychological factors that influences the human behavior. Then are the social factors. These social factors includes the family dynamics, the relationship, the upbringing of the individual. There is the culture, norms, values, beliefs that shapes our behavior and expectations about the human behavior. The social groups, that is our interaction with the peers, colleagues, other social groups influences our behavior. The social role we play, that I am a student, an employee, or a parent. The social norm, that is the societal expectations, influences our behavior in certain situations. Then is the final factor, that is the environmental factor, that includes the physical environment, the built environment, that is the environment I have created my own self, the natural environment, and the economy.